Are you getting prepared for a Zoom meeting and you're going to give a PowerPoint presentation, but you could really benefit from seeing your notes on the slides? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can have your PowerPoint presentation up on your screen, but have the end users just see the slide while you get to see your notes. What I discovered is in the latest version of PowerPoint, you have this little ellipses. And so I'm going to click that and I'm going to select Show Presenter View. What this is going to do is it's going to allow me to have the presenter view, even though I only have one monitor. I'm just working off my laptop here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Zoom settings. And with my screen share, I'm going to adjust my settings. On this, I'm going to hit the portion of the screen. This is under the advanced area, so if you come in, it looks like this. Don't just click on the advanced and click portion of the screen. Now what I can do is I can share just the PowerPoint presentation that I want to see, so my end users of my Zoom meeting are only seeing my slide. Meanwhile, I get to see all my notes, and as I'm walking through this, I can go ahead and scroll through and see the various notes on my PowerPoint presentation. So as you can see, this is super easy to do. Once I learned it, I decided I had to share with everyone. I didn't know the presenter view is now in PowerPoint and that we could do a partial screen. So your next presentation, use your notes. Be able to show a good screen, and it's super simple to do. Go ahead, make comments on what you've learned with Zoom and what cool new features that you've seen, and so we can share it with everyone. That's it from Heather. We'll see you next time.